up, y'all? We back again. This is Top Things. This friendly alligator goes by the name Casper, and he's the polar opposite of what most people would expect out of a swamp beast. This gator is a chill buddy with good vibes.
Look at that big boy. Look at that good alligator right there. What's up, guys? Just hanging out in the pond with Casper after doing one of my underwater gator tours today. We're just chilling in here, hanging out with him. That big old alligator right there, huh?
Two male hippos are having a territorial dispute in crocodile-infested waters. Hippos have an established hierarchy within their herds, and while sometimes that can lead to fighting among the group, they generally stick together and protect their own.
Better get out of here. Whoa. That's how they get the thing.
There are around 180 and 200,000 brown bears worldwide. Most of them live in Alaska, Canada, and Russia. Here, a mother brown bear and her two cubs were spotted roaming casually and peacefully on the beach shore, very close to a group of photographers.
About the coolest thing that'll ever happen to you on a bear trip.
Yeah, that was close.
Better than that.
Oh goodness, I hope everybody got a lot.
The greater one-horned rhino is restricted to less than a dozen protected areas scattered across north and northeastern India and southern Nepal. Adult males are solitary in nature and very aggressive. If you see an alligator in the wild, it's best to give it space. They have a natural fear of humans and usually begin to retreat when approached by people.
Oh, I can't really do anything now. So I don't really know what to do. If I put the paddle in the water, I might freak him out. I didn't expect to get so close. He seems to be okay. I'm going right over him. Whoa. That's a big alligator.
While spearfishing offshore in Brisbane, Australia, this diver encounters a big tiger shark. Unlike the great whites, tiger sharks are actually very friendly and gentle.
Oh, they're the angry ones. They are the angry ones. Hey buddy, what are you doing, you psycho? Just when it comes past, watch your feet. Oh. Hey buddy, don't you come at me. That'll be weird. Hello. Oh, hey. Keep swimming, buddy.
It's very unusual for rhinos to chase after vehicles as their vision is quite poor and they tire easily, but these two giants ran for 2 kilometers straight at an impressive speed of 30 kilometers per hour. This orca mistakes the paddleboarder for a seal or a turtle. After realizing that he's neither of them, it swims away. The appearance of the Watusi bull is striking and a little different from most of the dairy cattle around the world. Apart from the 71 centimeter diameter longhorns, the cattle lack a hump on their neck and have a more athletic stature.
Yeah. Oh, there's a moose.
I
Uh-oh.
don't want to scare the moose towards the people, so I'll stop.
They just stumbled upon him, so they can't go past. Looks like they're comfortable standing.
In the case of that moose, if I were them, I think I would be backing away.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't be too
But I
close.
think they might be really they might be like overconfident because they live here, and they might just be like, we know that. That's Sally the moose. She's not gonna bother us.
Oh, right. There
You
she
know what I
goes.
mean?
Yeah, are they scaring the moose
They
away?
seem not bothered.
Yeah, all right.
That's what I was afraid would happen.
Nice job.
Good job.
Holy cow.
What you're seeing now is a harp seal. They're born with long white fur that helps them to absorb sunlight and stay warm while they're still developing blubber. Did you know that polar bears actually have black skin and hollow colorless hair? Their hollow fur reflects light and traps the sun's heat to help keep them warm. If you're working in northern Alaska, you'll eventually meet a moose. And that meeting might not be the picture-perfect moment you dreamed of. It's common for townsfolk to wake up in the morning to find a moose in their yards, munching on crops and devouring gardens. The Mackenzie Valley wolf is the largest wolf species in the world. It can reach up to 2.13 meters long. These wolves have especially sturdy limbs and large lungs adapted for breathing at higher altitudes, which enable them to reign supreme in their natural habitat.
This is a video of probably one of the most secretive and rarest animals that I've encountered to date. So I was messing around with the spring right here. I was trying to jump this gap into the water. All this water bubbles up from deep underground, and as I was doing this I was causing a lot of splashing and commotion, and I think all this commotion scared up something that was hiding within the spring. So seemingly out of nowhere I see this rainbow snake right here, and when I saw this snake I absolutely freaked out because these snakes are rarely encountered by people. These snakes rarely leave the water, and they spend much of their lives under aquatic vegetation and debris. And when they do come out, it's usually at nights to hunt American eels, which are their favorite food.
Moray eel bites are infamously painful and can cause extensive bleeding. This diver, however, treats one as if it's the most adorable pet in the world, showering it with petting and handling with care. Sushi, the shoebell stork, lives in the Ugandan Wildlife Education Center. Shoebell storks are very docile with humans. They won't threaten humans, but they will only stare right back at them.
What the crap?
The mola are the heaviest of all bony fish, with large specimens reaching 14 feet vertically, 10 feet horizontally, and weighing nearly 5,000 pounds. A considerate moose running in an open pathway jumps out of its way and into the deep snow to avoid colliding with the people in its way. Despite being in deep snow, the powerful moose plows its way through with brute strength. The mako shark is very strong and the fastest known species of shark. It can reach moving speeds of 50 kilometers per hour with bursts up to 74 kilometers per hour. These qualities make the shortfin mako a prized catch among recreational fishermen. Hippos are aggressive because they will readily defend their territory both in and out of the water. They will attack and capsize boats and will not tolerate humans getting between them and the water. The shoebill produces its sound by clapping the lower and upper jaws of its bill together, producing a loud hollow noise. These are quick repetitive bursts sounding like a machine gun or tribal drums beating. Abeya, Ethiopia's second largest lake, is known for having a large crocodile population. The reptiles have a reputation for aggression towards humans because of a scarcity of fish in the lake. The murkiness of the lake make it hard to spot a crocodile until it surfaces, making escape less likely.
Yeah. Hey. 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 Psst. Psst.
Even if this bison is friendly, its buffalo parent may not be as welcoming.
Go away, go away, go away, go away, hey, go away, go away, no, go away. You don't like me. You don't like me. Go away, please. No, your mom's gonna kill me. Go away. Go away. Ha! Okay, hold on. Hold on.
A giant tortoise is definitely not a mainstream pet. Can you imagine having one yourself? It's about the size of 2 adult-sized dogs. Like what you see? You're gonna love what we have next. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys again on the next one.